Hello everyone, happy crafting Friday. Today I'm going to show you how I transformed a silver frame into a very beautiful nautical artwork. I painted the frame in white and now I am sanding it to give it a little bit of a distressed look. As I said, it's going to be a nautical beautiful artwork, and this one's gonna go in my guest bedroom. Now the next thing to do is add this very light blue paper. Making sure I am going to position the paper in the right place. I mark it and now I'm going to secure it with tape. Simple and beautiful. The next thing I did, I painted my anchor. I applied the Waverly Wax Antique color. And after I applied the white chalk paint. I'm applying the white chalk paint, but I'm not covering it all with it because I want the wood color to show. After I'm done with this, I'm going to secure it and glue it on top of my frame. You'll see. Very simple way to transform a plain silver frame into a nautical artwork. I'm also planning to make another one with a starfish to complement this one. Very simple. It's beautiful and easy to make. Thank you for watching. Until the next time, bye-bye.